naguguluhan pa rin ako kasi merong mga isang salita, dalawang ibig sabihin. Pero pag pinronounce mo,
Isa lang tunog.
hindi. Pagdating sa kanila, iba yung naiintindihan nila sa sinasabi mo. Kaya dapat yung pronunciation mo tama. Almira Hilal. Yan na yun, kuya mo yun. Surat. Bilis na. Ganda talaga ng adventure. Ay, ng expander. Very nice. Expander. Let's feed siya hina. Karak.
May biberi hata.
No, one time we stay that time. Me open the door, I don't see. Just me bring this one, he touch this.
Okay.
It's gone.
That's why I'm thinking, why have siya hina? Only here. You
Here
go.
also all this one. But this me will clean.
This one is the start button. Ganito rin yung ginagamit ni Moises eh. Pero yun sa atin nung jowa niya. Ganito. Yun yung pinang-count sa akin sa airport nung uwi ko last. Kasha naman.
You
yan.
have car?
I have car but Mazda. But
Philippines.
my son girlfriend have like this adventure. Adventure expander. I have car like this only. Mazda 2.